In today's video, I will show you how to view and download Capital One checking account statement. If you're looking for more ways to manage your money, we'll include links in the description for banks like Chime, which are offering bonus cash when you sign up. We will also add links to Robinhood, Webull, and Acorns if you're interested in growing your savings and investments. To start, go to the website CapitalOne.com, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your accounts at the middle part of the screen. On the checking account side, you will see an option for View Account. Click on View Account. Next, on this page, you will see an option for View Statements. Click on View Statements. Here you will see all of your checking account statements. From the list provided, click on the statement you wish to view. A pop-up window will then appear showing the statement you have selected. To download, just click on the download option at the screen. That's how you download your Capital One checking account statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.